Hey friends, welcome to HubSkill. I'm sure you're going to really enjoy this video.
This dog stole a camera from their owner and started running away with it. This chimp is smart enough to know how a phone works.
What's he been up to? Hanging out with girls on the beach? Oh, touching snakes. That's always dangerous. Oh, that's you. That's when you guys almost...
Scientists found a shy flapjack octopus trying to hide from the camera.
Esophagus, so they shouldn't be swallowing anything too big or they'll explode their brain.
Oh!
I got dust in my eyes.
Wrapping up.
Bright light, bright light.
This
go
is
away.
what scientists do
Sorry.
when we're really excited.
This is what the tip of a pen looks like under a microscope. You can see how the ink covers the ballpoint. There's a program called the Human Library where instead of checking out a book, you check out a person instead. People from many different backgrounds gather together to talk about common stereotypes. The hope is that people will learn not to judge someone based on their beliefs, where they come from, or how they look. After a few days of trying to become a goat, he eventually returned to being a human. These people were confused when they saw a beluga whale swim right up to their boat. They noticed that the whale was wearing a harness, so they helped remove it. This particular whale was most likely trained by the Russian military. Countries such as the United States and Russia have a long history of using dolphins and whales for military purposes. This photographer went to Yosemite National Park and spotted these two baby cubs wrestling in the road. The mama bear was close by, keeping watch.
I want one. They're like puppy size.
Oh, they are so. One of them is so small.
Yeah, I would give it a little bit, but I thought one of the cubs was under there, but they're both.
No, they're both there.
They're both there.
Is there another bear? No.
It's just the three.
There's the three of them.
This artist discovered a way to paint using fire. In this particular piece, he made a face out of flames. This photographer traveled to some of the most remote areas of Greenland to capture its true beauty. This is why it's so important to wear a hard hat on the job site. A small nut or bolt falling from a few stories up can have devastating effects. This is an iron anvil that weighs 110 pounds. By placing this in a tub of liquid mercury, the anvil will actually end up floating.
Let's push it down. Oh, it's hard to push down. Oh, that's great. The iron anvil floats because mercury has a density nearly twice that of iron. In fact, due to the density ratios, the iron actually floats better than wood does in water.
If you search the word Thanos on Google, your links will start to disappear. This is a defense mechanism used by owls to scare away predators. This man wanted to become a goat. He didn't want to simply act like a goat, he truly wanted to become a goat. He even visited a neuroscientist to try and disable his ability to speak. Here's a great demonstration showing how a sinkhole is formed.
Depending on all those soil properties we talked about earlier, this process can take days to years before anyone notices. Many of our subsurface utilities are placed directly below roadways, and the paving often acts as a final bridge above the sinkhole, hiding the void below.
What you're looking at right now is the spinal cord of a baby fish still inside their embryo. This is a close-up time-lapse video showing how the nervous system of a fish grows inside of the egg. A photographer in Hawaii found this massive stream of lava pouring into the ocean. To show how big this lava stream really is, you can see a drone flying close by. This is what happens when you remove a balloon from liquid nitrogen. As the gas inside the balloon warms up, the molecules begin to expand again like normal. Here's a cool trick you can try at home. If you take a plastic ruler and quickly bend it in direct sunlight, your camera will make a weird effect. This will only work on your phone camera if you record in a vertical format. This person has a unique way of revealing his artwork. This person knows how to make some incredible pieces of sand art.
Looks like a rabbit.
That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later!